Thanks, Ray. And as you're shoveling your sidewalk and driveway this weekend, you may also want to pay attention to keeping things like your neighborhood fire hydrant clear, as well as the outside vent for your furnace.
Krista Rose met up with the Derry Township Fire Chief today, who says some simple steps that you take can help save lives.
With the snow and the cold heading our way this weekend, it's good to keep in mind that there are a few other things besides walkways you should keep clear around your house. Derry Township Fire Chief Mark Piantine says most people's furnaces will be working overtime in the next few days, and it's important that their outdoor vents aren't blocked.
With today's new high-efficiency furnaces, like your gas, most of your gas furnaces, most of your oil furnaces and pellet stoves and stuff like that, they come out of your walls higher, okay? But your high-efficiency gas furnaces, they come out right at your window wells. You should keep that shoveled also, because if not, that'll be blocked. You won't be able to get rid of the carbon monoxide, and you're going to fill your house up with carbon monoxide.
Aside from protecting your home, the chief says you should help protect your neighborhood by digging out the fire hydrant on your block. Though frozen water lines can occur in older hydrants during cold snaps, most hydrants remain operable, and having a path and a 3-foot ring dug out around them can be a big help.
Please don't put snow against them and shovel around them, because if something happens, it makes our job easier getting to them.
Now, Chief Piantine did say that most of the fire hydrants here in Derry Township, they have a 3-foot flag attached to them, and it's a good visual indicator for firefighters to know where those hydrants are. But he also said it's a good visual indicator for the neighborhood to know not to pile snow right there. Reporting in Derry Township, Westmoreland County, Krista Rose, KDKA-TV News.